Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure Mac OS is up to date and Bluetooth is on. Put your AirPods in the case, open the lid, and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes. This forces discoverable mode. On your MacBook, open Bluetooth in System Settings and click the AirPods name to connect. Once done, check the volume and noise control icons in the menu bar so you can manage output quickly. This avoids accidental audio routing to another device. Once connected, you fine-tune how your AirPods behave with apps and calls. Open sound settings to pick AirPods for both output and input. This prevents mic-less recordings. Make sure spatial audio and sample rate options match your content. These affect clarity and latency. Use the Control Center or menu bar item to route audio on the fly, and configure microphone selection and automatic ear detection so the Mac doesn't pause or route audio unexpectedly. This keeps your calls clear and media synced. To finish, test everything. Play music and join a video call to verify sound, mic, and any spatial audio. If sound drops or mic fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair with your MacBook. If issues remain, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or remove and re-add the device in Bluetooth settings. This one key troubleshooting step, reset and repair, clears most pairing and audio routing faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.